difference between the snow bunny and the African queen is the snow bunny will find a black man in progress. She will find him on the job. She will find him on the university. And that snow bunny will see a black man with potential and she will invest in him. She will help him level up. And then when the sisters see him 5 years ago, 5 years later, he's a millionaire. And the sisters say, look at that sellout. He went and got a white girl. But guess what? When he was looking for a sister to help him level up, to invest in him, none of them wanted it. You know why? Too many black women want a finished product. Black women have to, stay with me. Black women have to stop expecting men to be a finished product. It's harder on us. Help him level up. Stay with me. Help him level up and become what you need him to be. Because the big reason why these snow bunnies are running off with black men is they're meeting them when they have nothing, but they believe in their vision. And black women are waiting for him to cross the finish line. And by the time he crosses the finish line, the snow bunny done snatched him already.
When people hear good things about you, they stay silent. When they hear bad things about you, they spread it like wildfire. But when they hear nothing about you, they make things up. However, it's important to remember that you cannot control what others say about you or how they perceive you. Instead, focus on being the best version of yourself and let your actions speak for themselves. Over time, your character and integrity will shine through, and the people who matter most will recognize and appreciate you for who you are.
Your life is your story. No one else gets to write it. No one else gets to define it. Every choice you make, every risk you take, every dream you chase, it's yours. People will doubt you, judge you, misunderstand you, but it doesn't matter. This is your journey, your fight, your legacy. Own it.
Sinadista yun ay anak ko.
Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend. Some people clap when you rise, only to push you when you turn your back. They'll act like they care, but use your pain as gossip. Fake people wear loyalty like a mask until it no longer serves them. They'll drain your energy, doubt your dreams, and disappear when you need them most. Their words are sweet, but their actions are silent. They love your light, but hate when it shines brighter than theirs. Some friends are only around until the benefits run out. Let go of those who make you feel hard to love. The real ones don't make you question your worth. Surround yourself with souls, not smiles. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Distance is respect when trust is broken. You don't need fake support, you need real strength. Protect your peace at all costs. If you've cut off fake people, comment peace below.
What men should do. 1. No matter how beautiful or hot she is, never sleep with another man's wife. 2. Men, her looks won't raise your children. Find a woman with a pure, genuine heart.
Yeah. Lakad kayo You walk going there. Yan. Yan.
How was the swimming?
It's very nice. I feel good.
Ice cream, yummy. I feel good.
I feel good. How is your Pampers, Jabin?
Okay, guys, that's the end of the day. See you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime you upload a new video. Happy New Year!
Oh. Aha.
Oh. Ah.